Ever pondered whether animals, like us humans, possess the ability to think and feel? Picture this: an elephant that seems to mourn its dead, a dolphin that appears to recognize itself in a mirror, an octopus that can solve puzzles with surprising dexterity. These are not mere flights of fancy, but real-life observations that have led scientists to question what we know about animal cognition. Animal cognition, in essence, refers to the mental capacities of animals. It's about their ability to learn, remember, problem-solve, and even exhibit emotions. It's about understanding how they perceive the world around them and how they respond to it. But it's not just about what they can do. It's also about what they know, what they understand, and what they can anticipate. Now, this is a subject that's as fascinating as it is controversial. Some scientists caution against attributing human-like thoughts and emotions to animals, a tendency known as anthropomorphism. Yet others argue that such skepticism underestimates the complexity of animal minds. Indeed, mounting evidence suggests that many animals possess cognitive abilities that are far more sophisticated than previously thought. In this video, we'll delve into the mysterious world of animal cognition, focusing on three remarkable species: elephants, dolphins, and octopuses. Elephants, with their impressive memory and apparent displays of emotion. Dolphins, known for their problem-solving skills and self-awareness. And octopuses, those alien-like invertebrates whose intelligence continues to baffle scientists. Each of these animals, in their own unique way, challenges our understanding of what it means to think and to feel. Whether it's an elephant appearing to grieve for a deceased herd member, a dolphin seemingly admiring its own reflection, or an octopus escaping from its tank in a daring nighttime adventure. These stories compel us to rethink our assumptions about animal minds. They remind us that cognition is not the exclusive domain of humans, but a phenomenon that pervades the animal kingdom in myriad, often surprising ways. Now, let's dive into the depths of the animal kingdom and explore the fascinating behaviors of elephants, dolphins, and octopuses. Elephants, known for their remarkable memory, exhibit behaviors that suggest a sense of self-awareness. These massive creatures, the largest land animals on our planet, are more than just physical giants. They are mental titans as well, demonstrating cognitive abilities that continue to fascinate scientists and animal lovers alike. Let's delve into some of the scientific research that supports elephant cognition. A notable example is the mirror self-recognition test. Elephants, like humans and some primates, can recognize themselves in a mirror. This might seem simple to us, but it's a clear indication of self-awareness, a trait not commonly found in the animal kingdom. Elephants can grasp the concept of self, and that's a big deal. But it's not just about recognizing their own reflection. Elephants also show a deep understanding of their social structures, displaying empathy for their kin and other animals. They've been observed, comforting distressed members of their herd, reaching out with their trunks and making soft, soothing sounds. It's a fascinating sight, one that speaks volumes about their emotional intelligence. And then there are the mourning rituals. In the wild, elephants have been seen lingering around the bodies of their deceased, touching the remains gently with their trunks, almost as if they're saying goodbye. Some researchers suggest this could be a form of mourning, a behavior previously thought to be exclusive to humans. Lastly, let's not forget their problem-solving abilities. Elephants have been known to use tools, work in teams, to solve tasks, and even display creativity. In one instance, an elephant unable to reach food used a nearby object to step on and increase its reach. It's clear evidence of their ability to think, adapt, and solve problems. Thus, these gentle giants exemplify the complexity of animal cognition. They challenge our understanding of what it means to be aware, to feel, and to think. In studying elephants, we're not just learning about them, we're also learning about ourselves, about cognition, consciousness, and the vast potential of the mind. Dolphins, the playful swimmers of the sea, are not just all fun and games. Behind the playful splashes and acrobatics, there lies a sophisticated level of cognition that rivals even our own. Dolphins are known for their complex vocalizations, a language of clicks, whistles, and body movements. It's more than just noise, it's communication. Each dolphin has a unique whistle, a sort of name, and they use these whistles to call out to each other, much like we use names to address our friends. But that's not all. Dolphins have shown that they can recognize themselves in mirrors. This might not sound like a big deal, but self-recognition is a sign of higher cognitive abilities. It suggests a level of self-awareness that we typically associate only with humans and a few select animals. And then there's the famous case of a dolphin saving a human from a shark. This wasn't an isolated incident. There have been several recorded instances of dolphins showing empathy and altruism, not just towards other dolphins, but also towards different species, including humans. In one instance, a pod of dolphins formed a protective ring around a group of swimmers to keep a shark at bay. In another, a dolphin guided a lost whale back into deep water. These aren't random acts. They're deliberate and calculated, showing that dolphins can understand when another creature is in distress and need help. But why would a dolphin risk its own life to save another? We don't know for sure, but it's likely that empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, plays a big role. Dolphins, like humans, are social animals. They live in close-knit groups, and they rely on each other for survival. Empathy could be a crucial part of their social structure. These intelligent swimmers prove that animal consciousness is not just limited to land. Dolphins, with their complex vocalizations, self-recognition, and displays of empathy, show us that the sea is a world of thought and emotion, as rich and diverse as our own. Octopuses, the masters of camouflage, have more to their credit than just changing colors. These eight-armed wonders have been the subject of many scientific studies, revealing a level of cognition that is truly fascinating. In the realm of problem-solving, octopuses are up there with the best. Their ability to solve complex puzzles is well documented. In one instance, an octopus was presented with a maze, at the end of which was a tasty crab. Despite the puzzle's complexity, the octopus found its way through the maze, using its arms to feel the way, demonstrating not only its cognitive abilities, but also its determination when promised a delectable reward. But the intelligence of these clever camouflagers doesn't end there. Octopuses are notorious escape artists. They have been known to slip out of enclosures in laboratories and aquariums, often by unscrewing lids or squeezing through impossibly small openings. This showcases their ability to understand and manipulate their environment, a clear sign of advanced cognitive abilities. But perhaps the most intriguing anecdote involves an octopus named Paul. In the 2010 World Cup, Paul accurately predicted the outcomes of all Germany's matches. His method? Choosing between two boxes of food, each marked with a team's flag. His correct predictions, spanning over 6 matches, left spectators and scientists alike wondering if this was merely chance or if Paul was demonstrating an ability to anticipate future events. While this may sound like a fun party trick, it could indicate something more profound. Could octopuses possess a level of awareness that allows them to anticipate their impending demise, much like elephants and dolphins? The jury is still out, but these anecdotes and studies certainly make us wonder. These clever camouflagers remind us that animal cognition can be found even in the most unexpected places. From the gentle giants to the intelligent swimmers and the clever camouflagers, animal cognition and consciousness is a complex phenomenon. This complexity is not just intriguing, it also challenges our understanding of life on Earth. Throughout this exploration, we've delved into the fascinating behaviors of elephants, dolphins, and octopuses, each of which suggests a degree of awareness that extends beyond mere survival instincts. Elephants show profound empathy, dolphins demonstrate problem-solving skills, and octopuses exhibit an uncanny ability to adapt and learn. These behaviors suggest a level of cognition that goes beyond basic instinctual responses, hinting at a form of consciousness. What does this mean for us? Well, it forces us to re-evaluate our perception of animals. It's not just about recognizing that animals have feelings and thoughts, but understanding that these feelings and thoughts may be far more complex than we previously imagined. We're not talking about assigning human emotions or intellect to animals, but acknowledging the unique and intricate mental lives they may lead. This complexity of animal consciousness also impacts our ethical responsibilities towards them. If animals possess a level of awareness and cognition that we've underestimated, it raises significant questions about our treatment of them. This applies not just to the animals we share our homes with, but also to those in the wild and in captivity. The study of animal cognition and consciousness is still in its infancy. The more we learn, the more questions we have. It's a humbling reminder of how much we still have to discover about the other inhabitants of our planet. In conclusion, the behaviors of elephants, dolphins, and octopuses are more than just fascinating examples of animal intelligence. They are glimpses into the complex world of animal consciousness, a realm we are just beginning to understand. Next time you encounter an animal, remember that there might be more going on in their minds than we can ever truly comprehend. The complexity of their consciousness is a testament to the rich tapestry of life on Earth and a reminder of our responsibility to understand and respect it.